They show the miners heavily bearded, bare-chested, down below the ground, singing the Chilean national anthem. Now, these are more or less the first pictures we've seen since this drama began. The only pictures we'd seen before this were some very, very grainy images of one miner looking into the camera, just a few seconds. Apparently, there are 45 minutes of these images, and it's the clearest indication we have so far of the conditions that the miners have been living in. This will give the families some confirmation of what they've been saying all along, that they, from what they know, the miners are in good spirits. I was struck by the fact that the miners were standing, they were talking to the camera, they looked defiant. So they do look physically to be in remarkably good shape.
Aquí hay como